Selection tools in Blender's 3D viewport. On the left side of the 3D viewport is the toolbar. The default tool is the select box. When you're in object mode, a single click on an object selects it. Or you can draw a box around several objects, if you have several. And that selects several things at once. Notice that when you click on empty space, it always cancels your last selection. In edit mode, the box select lets you select a bunch of vertices in your object by surrounding them in a box. Note that every time you make a new selection, it forgets your previous one. You can change this behavior by changing the mode on the tool setting bar. If you wave your cursor over each of them, it gives you a short description of what they do. The extend mode allows you to make several selections and extend them into a larger selection. Subtract mode lets you remove vertices from your selection. I've grown to like the default mode that always starts a new selection. Every time you make a selection, it erases the previous one. It forgets the previous one. But I often have to switch back and forth between the different selection modes. You may not have noticed, but when you select vertices on the front side, it doesn't select the ones in the back. You can change this by clicking on the X-ray button on the right side of the 3D viewport's header. You will now be able to see through your build and select things all the way through.